Hey y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural, the channel that's all about beauty on a budget. In today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to get this fresh, perfect for summertime makeup, dewy look. You know, you want to be glowing, but you want to look like you're having an inner glow. Even if you have oily skin, then this video is for you. If you're not subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button and let's just get right into it. Okay, so we're gonna start by prepping the skin. I'm gonna be using, so it's good to make sure that your skin is very clean. If you just got out the shower, you want to clean your face in the shower, but I'm just gonna be using this to remove any excess dirt. And you want to make sure you get your neck. So I'm gonna be applying some glow. So you can already see that my face is beginning to glow. I don't like to use the makeup wipes that are super harsh. Now that I've cleansed, I want to moisturize. I'm gonna tone after I moisturize, see what that does for my skin. But I'm just gonna be using this face oil from Trader Joe's, and I'm just gonna apply a few drops on my skin. And I'm just gonna be taking my hands and massaging this in. And you just want to really massage this in. Yes, we about to be out here glowing, sis. Okay, so like I said, I do have oily skin. This is just the first product. I have multiple skincare videos because you know skincare is the #1 way to make your makeup look flawless. Now, although we just applied some face oil, I am going to be taking this e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer, and I'm just going to be applying a little bit of this over the oil that I just put on. And what this is going to do is, this moisturizer is not super oily, so it's just going to balance out the oil and a good base to apply. I'm actually not going to be using foundation today because I'm trying to use less products. And look, my skin is just glowing. And then I'm just gonna put some on my neck. Today, sis, I'm about to do a talk through. So now that we got this all looking good, I'm gonna be taking this powder from Dermablend, and I'm just gonna be applying a little bit of this underneath my eyes. Well, on the parts that I kind of want to control the oil, so in this area, my T-zone, a little bit underneath my eyes. You're probably like, well, why are you putting this powder on right now? And what this is going to do is just help maintain all that goodness that we put on for our glow, but then also help me control the spots that I know are going to get a little oily. And like I said, I'm just applying this in my T-zone area where I know I'm going to get oily. Okay, so now that we did that, I'm actually going to take some toner and spray this over my face. What this is going to do is prevent the powdery look, although the Dermablend powder is like perfect and it's not really that powdery. So since we're trying to use fewer products in the summer so that we just feel light and fresh, I'm actually going to be using this Cinema Secrets, this is a foundation palette, but I'm going to be using it as concealer. And I'm just going to be taking a little bit of this product to kind of spot conceal in the areas that I think I need it. So we're just going to do a little bit underneath the eyes. And the key when doing like a summertime fresh look is to really do like use cream products. That way it gives like a more satin dewy look in the areas where I want to kind of highlight forehead. So I'm only going to be using concealer. I'm not going to be using foundation today, although this says foundation. I'm using it as a concealer. Then I'm just going to take a brush like this and just kind of press and rub at the same time. I know right now I look a little crazy. Now I'm gonna take a little darker color from this same palette, because that color I used looked dark, but on the camera not so much. So I'm just applying this to my hand here, and I'm just gonna apply some of this over it. It doesn't look like it's picking it up on the camera, but up close I could see that the darker shade is. Now don't worry if this is looking a little scary or too light, because we about to bronze it up, baby. Bronze it up. but you can still see I'm still glowing, still shining. So this is gonna be like a fresh bronzy look. For my bronze, I'm gonna be using this beautiful bronze shade from LA Girl. Yes, I still do occasionally use LA Girl because it's a good brand, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this on my hand. So what I'm gonna do next is take a little bit of, or just take some of this product using the same brush that I did with the concealer, and just start to go here, and I'm just gonna do like a stipple motion, and I'm just using a little product at first, and then I'm just gonna begin to build it up. And I just learned this new technique, but you want to bring the contour to the outer corner of your eye. Now that I got my beautiful bronze on, I'm just gonna use my beauty blender, blend this out, and look at that. Wow. Wow. And then bring this along the forehead. And I'm trying to make my forehead look a little smaller, so I'm just gonna contour all up in this John. And the good thing about using cream products is that you can build them up. And now I'm just using my damp beauty blender to kind of, and now I'm just kind of building up this bronze color to the darkness that I want. So now you can keep going. I think I want to add a little bit more bronze. Yes, now I'm looking real bronze. Now I can go back in with this under eye color and just kind of reapply some of this product. As you can see though, skin's still glowing, still popping, very bronze. Process, y'all, it's a process, but as you can see, glow, okay, glow, honey. So now if you need to, you can take a darker contour shade and like touch up any areas that may need it. I'm just gonna do a little dot here. I said darker, but it seems to be lighter. We're gonna take a little bit of this Danessa Myricks product. This is the color Fit. I have a whole video on this product actually explaining more about my first impressions of it, so I'll be sure to link that so you can go check it out. But I'm gonna be using this shade as a little bit of blush, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my eyes as well. Using this same concealer brush, I'm just gonna grab some of this product. The good thing about this product is that you don't need much. And then I'm just sectioning it off on my hand because I want like a blush look. I'm just gonna be taking this brush and kind of diffusing this out. So the key here to getting the summer bronzy fresh look is to, and I'm taking a little bit on this on my forehead, is to use primarily cream products over liquid products. Okay, so now that we did that, I'm just gonna take a little powder, put it underneath the eyes, but I'm gonna like sweep underneath there. And like I said, I'm gonna use some of this color Fix on my eyes, so I'm just gonna apply this. Fresh, looking fresh. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of one of my favorite products, the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, and a fluffy brush, and just apply some of this on my eye, or around my face, on my eyes too. Now I'm just gonna do my brows. I'm gonna start by using a little bit of my e.l.f. brow gel. And I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, and I'm just gonna do some light strokes because we want to make them just look very natural and fresh. So I'm going to be using this contour palette. It's been loved. I'm going to be using this for my eyes as well as to contour. So I'm just going to be taking this and smoothing out the edges. Then I'm just going to be taking one of these shades and just applying a little bit on the outer corner. So I went ahead and my my SIM card was full, so I had to do some stuff off camera, but I went ahead and put on some eyelashes. I wanted my outer corner to be a little darker, so I went ahead and used this Aaliyah palette in this darker shade here, as well as this shade. So you could have stopped at just the orange color, but I wanted to go a little bit deeper, and so I'm gonna go ahead and contour. Now you can see that we still got this glow going on, but I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more of the Charlotte Tilbury right at the highlight of my cheek, and then I'm just gonna pat this out using my finger. She does have multiple shades in this wand. You can use a brush. I just find that I like to use my fingers. This is the part where you just continue to add or subtract whatever you want. I'm gonna add a little bit more concealer here. Time you're doing makeup, it's literally just like a game of adding product, looking at the canvas, seeing what you need to add, seeing what you want to do more of, etc. So I'm just going to take any excess because my nose is looking kind of not chiseled. Now I'm just going to take a little bit more blush. This is MAC Floor Power, I believe. Floor Power. And set it on my cheek. We're going to finish using this body oil. Now if you're worried about getting shiny at all, go ahead and apply some more translucent powder in the areas you're concerned about. I'm gonna take some and put it all over my face, and this is just the Derma Blend no color powder. And this is how you can tell if it's a inner glow look, because even after applying translucent powder, skin is glowing. So I'm just gonna take the remainder of this Danessa Myricks and put it on my lip. You can go nude, but I'm just kind of using one product for multiple things. If you don't have any lip liner, that's fine. I'm just going to be taking this eyebrow brush and a little bit of the pomade and putting it on my hand. And then I'm going to use this to line my lips. This is how you can use multiple products, or one product for multiple things. You can tell it's giving us a real nice brown. I have lip liners, don't get me wrong, but I'm trying to show y'all how you don't need multiple things. You can use what you already have. Now, I do like the brown, but I want more of like a nude-ish lip. So let me grab a color. Honey product from Morphe. And I'm just going to be applying that right to the center of my lip. It turned kind of brown. But now we're just going to take some of our clear gloss to give us that pouty look. And here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. In this video, we went over how to get a very fresh, dewy, makeup, glowy, blushy, all things summertime makeup look. Really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, because you do not want to miss out on more content. If you haven't seen this Pop Smoke Kim K inspired braid look, then be sure to click this video here. Follow me on Instagram to be seeing, so that you can see my photos, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles.